Asian Network.
So I am joined this morning by the wonderful Kajol. Okay, so right now we are going to put your Bollywood acting to the test. Not that you really need testing, but, you know. You're known for giving really, really dramatic performances. For example...
What?
Exactly.
No.
Do you know one of my favourites? Even though it's not from the 90s, but I think everyone will know this. I don't want to put my acting skills here, but it's the part where you go, Kamala, there he is. Come. Can you do that for us? Obviously, because I
It's
can't
a
do it.
little high-pitched. It's a little
That's why
shrill
it's
for
great.
radio.
That's why it's great. This is why.
So, yeah.
This is why we love you. So I'm going to give you some pretty mundane things, some basic life situations.
Right.
And I just want you to try and act them out and see how
This
they
is
would...
a radio show, you realize that,
I know,
right? Yeah.
but the dialogues are perfect for radio. Your expressions are perfect for the screen. So we just want to know how you would react to these situations. If it was in a Bollywood film, let's say in the 90s.
Okay.
Because they're very different from now.
Yes, very different.
Okay?
Yeah.
So let's do
Like
that.
Gamla and Vaz, I don't think would have happened
No, that would not have happened now. Okay, so proper drama now.
Yep.
Your first scenario is you're late for a job interview and you've just missed the train.
Oh God, दूसरी ट्रेन मिलेगी कि नहीं पता नहीं अरे सुनो भाई साहब जरा सुनिए आपके पास टिकट है आपके पास ट्रेन टिकट है ट्रेन स्टेशन कहाँ है कंडक्टर कहाँ है
That was so good. That was so good. Okay, how about this second one? How about this one? Your work crush has just noticed you for the first time.
Yeah.
And he's just smiled at you.
Okay. This, I have to say, would be done in 48 frames. Would be done in slow motion.
Just to be
people who
technical.
do not understand filmy lingo, that is like in 48 frames. So she'll be like, hello.
Do you think that's as far as it would go? Just the hello?
Yeah, pretty much. Then it would be 48 frames. Yeah.
Okay, how about this third one? A family member has just eaten the last slice of pizza in the fridge, but you were saving it for yourself and now it's gone.
ये किसने लिया? किसने लिया? मुझे भूख लगी है और ये काम कौन करता है यहाँ पे? काम कौन करता है? मैं ना तो फिर last slice मुझे मिलना चाहिए ना? हाँ? And I would just like to reiterate this point that this is from very, very long back. This is not today and this is not helicopter Leela.
This is not the new film. Okay, I'm going to give you one last one.
Right.
You're going for a jog in the park and you've just stepped into some doo-doo.
Depends on what I'm wearing actually.
Oh, really? Okay, let's say it's your best outfit.
Kameez? Am I doing this in movie situation? Because if it was a movie, I would be wearing a salwar kameez and my dupatta would be flying.
Exactly that. And now you
if
stepped.
it got stuck in the poop, I'd be like, snatch it out. But then I would continue walking and the wind would continue blowing my dupatta
In slow
very nicely.
motion.
In slow motion with the poop.
Ew!
Yeah.
There's too much detail there, but please can we give her a huge round of applause? It's Kajol!
Asian Network.